Coding is the process of writing instructions for computers to follow. Think of it as a recipe, but instead of ingredients, we use code. By 2030, it's estimated that there will be over 1.4 million unfilled tech jobs in the US alone. Learning to code now can give you a head start on your career. Think of coding as a puzzle. Each piece, or line of code, must fit perfectly to make your project work. Python is great for beginners because it's easy to read, while JavaScript powers the interactive parts of your website. Start with Python if you're new. Question: how long does it take to learn coding? Timeline of learning to code. A simple website might have around 5,000 lines of code. A complex app could have over 1 million. Start small and grow. Building blocks of coding. What is a debugging? Fun fact: the first computer bug. Call to action: start learning. What is GitHub? What is a repository? What is a pull request? Your progress: 75%. Think of it like this: a chef in the kitchen. Each dish they make is like building an app or website. Think of it this way: you don't have to be a math whiz to do accounting. You just need to learn the rules and practice. Closing: